G'day everyone. Today's log is going to be completely different from anything I've ever recorded before. In fact, it's a bit of a secret. As we stand here in our lounge today, there are two specific people who have absolutely no idea this channel even exists. They don't know I sit around, stand around, walk around, and share my raw thoughts with the world, actually. But today, we are recording this video entirely for them. And when it goes live, I'm going to send it to them so that they can see a little bit of a surprise. Yesterday, the 4th of June, yes, one day after my birthday, my mom and dad celebrated their 43rd wedding anniversary. 43 years of marriage. So in a world we live in today where relationships are often treated as disposable and people walk away the moment things get heavy. Hitting 43 years is a monumental victory. But it's not just a victory for them. Myself, my sister, her husband, and of course my wife and their grandchildren look at their marriage and realize we are profoundly blessed. We didn't just grow up watching a marriage survive. We grew up watching a partnership thrive. To my dad, when I look at the father and the husband I'm trying to become every single day, I realize I don't have to look very far for a guide. The blueprint was handed to me by my dad. Growing up, my dad worked night shifts. It was a brutal schedule. He gave up his nights, his sleep, and his body to provide for our family. Because of those hours, I basically only saw my dad on weekends and maybe 1 or 2 hours a day, maybe. And during the week, our worlds moved in opposite directions. But here's the remarkable thing. Even though our time together was limited to only a few hours a week perhaps, my dad's presence in my life was louder than his absence could ever be. He didn't just use his weekends to rest. He used them to show me what it means to be a man, without ever lecturing me. He taught me how to work hard. He taught me what absolute fatherhood looks like. He showed me what it means to protect your household and raise children with patience and firm boundaries. And most importantly, by watching how he looked at my mom, how he spoke to her, and how he valued her, he taught me exactly how a man is supposed to treat a woman. And that example didn't just impact me, it actually created a ripple effect through our entire family. My sister saw what a good man looked like, which allowed her to find a husband who treats her with the same deep respect. And when my beautiful wife walked into my life, she didn't just marry me, she actually gained a second mother and a father who showed her what a real team looks like. She learned so much by just sitting at their table, watching the quiet, everyday rhythm of two people who still choose each other after how many decades of facing life's storms together. We are the parents we are today because you two gave us a masterclass in unconditional love. You didn't tell us how to live. You just sat back, worked hard, loved each other, and let us live. So, to mom and dad, if you're watching this right now, sitting at your home, looking at your phone, and wondering, what is my son doing on YouTube? Just know this is a tribute to you. And also, in a corporate world, we talk so much about success, targets, building a legacy on a spreadsheet. But the corporate world has it all wrong. Your legacy isn't an award on the wall. Your legacy is living in the homes of your children. It's the way your grandchildren are being raised. with the exact same values of love, hard working, and respect that you poured into us. Thank you, Dad, for every single night shift you worked to give us a better future. Thank you, Mom, for being the anchor that kept our family together. We see you, we appreciate you, and we love you more than words can ever express. And then, of course, to the 44 real people who actually watch my logs, thank you for letting me step away from my usual topic today to honor the foundation of my love. If you are blessed enough to still have your parents around, take a moment to thank them for the invincible weight they carried for you. Happy 43rd anniversary, Mom and Dad. We love you. Cheers.
Cheers.